Hi, I'm Matt from ShopWare. Today I'm going to walk you through on how to use the Mastercam Launcher to control which Mastercam modules launch when you start Mastercam. So the easiest way to find the launcher is to click in your Windows search bar, type in Mastercam Launcher, or you can just start typing it, you'll see it pop up there. It's also going to be in your start menu under your current version of Mastercam. Look for Mastercam Launcher in the menu here. So I can click on that. Now I get an interface that shows all my licenses available. Now I have a reseller software license, so it's going to show all the modules available, but this will be limited to what you have available with your license. As you can see here, I have all the core, or what we call platform products at the top here, and then all the add-ons. Depending on what you have, most common is customers are going to have lathe, mill, wire, design, possibly multi-axis. It'll tell you how many you have available, how many total. If other people are using licenses currently at your shop, say you have a network license, it may show less available than what total available is. For example here, let's say I only want to pull a Mill 3D license, and I'll leave that as active, and I want to pull a wire license, I'll leave that as active. Any other products I don't want to pull, I set as inactive. Design doesn't necessarily matter because it's part of any of the other core products as well, so I can leave that as active, but lathe I can say inactive, router inactive, mill turn inactive. And I have this, it defaults to not check out any of the add-on products. So I can say create shortcut, default saving it to the desktop, so I can call this Mastercam 2023, Mill 3D, and Lathe. Hit save, and then it's going to create that icon on the desktop for me. Conversely, if I want to create an icon that is only mill, and say I have different levels of mill, I can set it to the base Mastercam mill, leave it as active, and then make everything else inactive. Base Mastercam mill is the only one that's active. I can say create shortcut and call that Mastercam 2023 mill only. Hit save. I can exit out of here now that I've created the icons I need to. And I can click, for example, here on Mastercam 2023 mill only, and I will get a warning box. Yours will look slightly different depending on what modules you have, but it'll say mill modified and then anything else that's disabled. So now if I say OK, Mastercam will finish launching. And then now if you see here, if I go to my machine tab, I only have mill and design. Like I said earlier, design is always part of the core Mastercam platform products, as they call it. So now I can select mill and work as needed, and the other licenses are available for others in the shop to use. Any questions? Please reach out to our tech support. Thanks for watching.